Is the current state of the cryptocurrency market a gold rush or a ticking time bomb? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The crypto market is as volatile as a stormy sea, with prices bobbing up and down, sometimes in just a matter of hours. It's a whirlwind of uncertainty, but that's part of its charm. In recent times, we've witnessed the rise of meme coins. These are cryptocurrencies that started as jokes but have become speculative investments. They can make you a fortune overnight or leave you high and dry the next morning. It's a high-risk, high-reward game. But amidst this chaotic sea of meme coins, there exists a beacon of hope, a more stable and promising cryptocurrency, XRP. It's not just another meme coin, it's a digital asset with a clear vision and a purpose. As we delve deeper into the world of cryptocurrency, let's focus on XRP, a coin that stands out from the meme coin madness. XRP, often overshadowed by its flashier counterparts, holds immense potential. In the world of digital currencies, XRP is more than a mere underdog. Created by Ripple Labs Inc., a San Francisco-based technology company, XRP serves as both a cryptocurrency and a technology protocol. Its inception in 2012 marked a defining moment in the evolution of digital currencies, as it was designed with a unique purpose in mind: to facilitate faster, more efficient cross-border transactions. Unlike many cryptocurrencies, XRP was never intended to replace traditional fiat currencies or disrupt the existing monetary system. Instead, it was designed to complement and enhance the existing financial landscape. Its creators, Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb, aimed to bridge the gap between different fiat currencies, making it easier for money to flow across borders. XRP is the lifeblood of the Ripple payment ecosystem, which includes a suite of software products for businesses, known as RippleNet. RippleNet is used by numerous financial institutions worldwide, allowing them to send money globally, instantly, reliably, and cost-effectively. XRP plays a crucial role in this system, acting as a bridge currency that enables transfers between different fiat currencies in as little as 3 to 5 seconds. But XRP is not just a tool for financial institutions. It's also a digital asset that anyone can buy, hold, and trade. With a maximum supply of 100 billion coins, XRP's scarcity adds to its value, much like gold in the physical world. In the Ripple ecosystem, XRP is more than just a medium of exchange. It's also a mechanism for preventing spam. Each time a transaction is made, a small amount of XRP is destroyed or burned, making it more expensive for anyone to flood the network with transactions. In essence, XRP is a pivotal piece in a larger puzzle, a key cog in the wheel of a global payment system. It's a testament to the innovative thinking that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of digital currencies. XRP is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a key player in a global payment system. Is betting on meme coins akin to playing a high-stakes lottery? It's a question that's been on the minds of many in the crypto space. Let's dig into this. Meme coins, as their name suggests, are often born out of internet culture with no real use case or backing. They are highly volatile and unpredictable. This is because their value is driven primarily by hype and speculation, rather than practical use. One moment, they're skyrocketing in value, creating overnight millionaires. The next, they're plunging, wiping out investments in the blink of an eye. It's a roller coaster ride where the highs are exhilarating, but the lows can be stomach-churning. Meme coins are therefore a high-risk, high-reward gamble. Now let's contrast this with XRP. XRP has demonstrated relative stability in comparison to meme coins. This is not to say that it's immune to market fluctuations. All cryptocurrencies are subject to some degree of volatility. However, XRP's value is not solely driven by speculation. It has a practical use case, serving as a bridge currency in international transactions. This underlying utility provides a certain level of stability. Moreover, XRP has shown a steady growth trajectory over time. While it doesn't boast the meteoric rises of some meme coins, it also doesn't suffer their precipitous falls. It's a steadier, more predictable climb, less prone to the boom and bust cycle that characterizes meme coins. So while meme coins can be an exciting gamble, they're just that, a gamble. They're the digital equivalent of buying a lottery ticket. You might strike it rich, but you're just as likely, if not more so, to lose your investment. On the other hand, XRP represents a more measured approach to crypto investing. It's a longer-term play underpinned by a real-world use case. It's less about overnight riches and more about steady, sustainable growth. While meme coins may offer a thrilling ride, XRP provides a more predictable journey. So which path will you choose? The high-stakes lottery of meme coins or the steady climb of XRP? The choice, as always, is yours. What good is a coin if it has no practical use? A question that resonates deeply in the world of cryptocurrencies. In the vast sea of digital coins, many are often classified as meme coins. While these coins can become internet sensations overnight and garner significant attention, they often lack intrinsic value. Meme coins are typically characterized by their whimsical nature, created more for amusement than utility. They often lack a solid purpose or functionality, making them highly speculative investments. The value of these coins is primarily derived from hype and speculation rather than any practical application. They're like that flashy sports car that looks great in the driveway, but is impractical for your daily commute. Now let's turn our attention to XRP, a digital asset that stands in stark contrast to these meme coins. Unlike its counterparts, XRP was designed with a clear and practical purpose in mind. It serves as a bridge currency in the Ripple network, a digital payment protocol that facilitates fast, low-cost international transactions. Imagine needing to send money across the globe. Traditional banking methods can be slow and expensive, often taking days to process and loaded with fees. XRP, however, can facilitate the same transaction in a matter of seconds and at a minimal cost. It's the equivalent of upgrading from a horse-drawn carriage to a high-speed train. But XRP's utility goes beyond just facilitating transactions. It's also used in Ripple's on-demand liquidity service, which allows financial institutions to transfer money without the need for pre-funding. This service can free up significant capital for these institutions, making XRP not just useful, but potentially transformative for the global financial system. So when you compare a coin like XRP to a meme coin, the difference in utility is clear. While meme coins can be fun and exciting, they often lack the underlying value that a coin like XRP provides. Unlike many meme coins, XRP offers more than just speculative value. It offers utility. It's a digital asset that's not just about the hype. It's about providing a practical solution to a real-world problem. Every coin has two sides, and XRP is no exception. The world of cryptocurrencies is as thrilling as it is unpredictable, and XRP, despite its many strengths, is not immune to this volatility. One of the primary risks associated with investing in XRP is regulatory scrutiny. Cryptocurrencies operate in a sort of gray area when it comes to regulation, and XRP has found itself in the crosshairs of regulatory bodies more than once. A prominent example is the ongoing lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which alleges that XRP's parent company, Ripple, conducted an unregistered securities offering. While the outcome of this case is still uncertain, it's a stark reminder of the regulatory hurdles that cryptocurrencies can face. This legal uncertainty can lead to price fluctuations and could potentially impact XRP's market position. Another risk lies in the competitive nature of the cryptocurrency market. While XRP has carved out a niche for itself with its focus on international transactions, the crypto landscape is rapidly evolving. In this dynamic environment, new cryptocurrencies are constantly emerging, each with their own unique features and applications. XRP must continue to innovate and adapt to maintain its edge in this competitive market. Then there's the risk of market volatility. All cryptocurrencies, XRP included, are subject to drastic price swings. This volatility can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can lead to significant profits if the market moves in your favor. On the other, it can result in substantial losses if the market turns against you. As with any investment, it's crucial to thoroughly research and understand the risks before diving in. Investing in XRP, like any other cryptocurrency, involves risks, but its potential benefits may outweigh these concerns. It's a decision that requires careful consideration, a clear understanding of both the potential rewards and the risks involved. In the end, it's about striking a balance between caution and ambition, and making the choice that aligns best with your financial goals and risk tolerance. In the game of high risk, high reward, could XRP be the safer bet? In the exhilarating world of cryptocurrency, it's easy to be drawn towards the allure of meme coins. These digital assets, often born overnight, can deliver staggering returns, but they also come with a level of volatility that makes them a high-risk venture. Now let's consider XRP. Unlike its meme coin counterparts, XRP offers a different kind of proposition. It's not just about the potential for high returns. It's about the stability and utility that XRP brings to the table. While meme coins can fluctuate wildly in value, XRP has demonstrated a more consistent track record. It's not immune to market volatility, of course, but its price movements have generally been less erratic, making it a potentially more predictable investment. For those who prefer a less roller coaster-like ride, XRP might just be the answer. Moreover, XRP is not just a speculative asset, it has real-world utility. It is used in Ripple's payment ecosystem to facilitate quick, low-cost international money transfers. This gives XRP an inherent value that goes beyond market speculation. Unlike meme coins, which often lack a fundamental use case, XRP's utility can provide a solid foundation for its value. Furthermore, XRP's regulatory issues, although a downside, could also be seen as a potential boon. Should Ripple come out victorious in its ongoing legal battle, it would likely boost the legitimacy and credibility of XRP, potentially driving its price upwards. So, while the allure of meme coins and their potential for astronomical gains can be intoxicating, it's essential to remember that with great reward comes great risk. XRP, on the other hand, offers a balance. It might not make you a millionaire overnight, but it provides a degree of stability and utility that meme coins often lack. When it comes to cryptocurrency investments, XRP could be a safer harbor in the stormy seas of meme coins. So what's the real deal with XRP and meme coins? Let's circle back and tie together the loose ends of our conversation. We began by delving into the crypto conundrum, the exciting yet perplexing world of cryptocurrencies. We explored the landscape, inhabited by a multitude of digital assets, from well-established ones like Bitcoin to the new kids on the block, the meme coins. In this diverse ecosystem, XRP and meme coins have been vying for attention, each with its unique selling points. Unveiling XRP, we discovered its distinct characteristics. Born out of a vision to enable faster, lower-cost international transactions, XRP has carved its niche as a bridge currency. It's designed to be efficiently exchanged for any currency or digital asset. Unlike meme coins, which are often created as a joke or for speculative purposes, XRP has a clear mission and purpose. We delved into the stability factor, an essential consideration for any investment. XRP, with its substantial market cap and wide acceptance, offers a degree of stability that meme coins, with their notorious volatility, often lack. Even in the unpredictable world of cryptocurrencies, XRP has shown a level of resilience that gives it an edge over meme coins. Next, we explored the utility factor, another crucial aspect that sets XRP apart. Beyond being just a tradable asset, XRP is used in real-world applications, primarily in facilitating international transactions. It's the fuel that powers Ripple's payment ecosystem, providing tangible value. Meme coins, on the other hand, often lack this functional utility, relying primarily on hype and social media buzz for their value. Of course, no discussion is complete without understanding the downside risks. Like all cryptocurrencies, XRP is not immune to market fluctuations and regulatory uncertainties. However, compared to meme coins, which are often subject to wild price swings based on social media trends, XRP's risks are somewhat mitigated by its utility and established market presence. So why could XRP be a wiser investment choice? We explored this question, weighing the pros and cons. Meme coins can offer quick, albeit risky, returns. They ride the wave of internet trends and can surge in value overnight, but they can also crash just as quickly. XRP, with its stability and utility, offers a more balanced risk-reward profile. It may not promise overnight riches, but it provides a more predictable and sustainable growth trajectory. The world of cryptocurrencies is vast and complex, filled with a dizzying array of options. While meme coins, with their flashy names and viral trends, can be alluring, it's crucial to look beyond the surface. Remember, investing is not about chasing quick wins, but about making informed decisions based on careful analysis. So, in answering our initial question, What's the real deal with XRP and meme coins? We've explored their differences, their strengths, and their weaknesses. We've seen how XRP's stability, utility, and balanced risk-reward profile give it a competitive edge over meme coins. In the end, while the glitter of meme coins may be tempting, remember that all that glitters is not gold. XRP, with its stability and utility, may just be the diamond in the rough. As we navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, let's remember that true value often lies beneath the surface.